So I'm going to show you how to set different notification sounds for different apps on your Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. So go to settings and then go to notifications and status bar and then go to app notifications. And here you'll see a list of all the apps on your phone. So you can scroll and go to an app. So for instance, if I go to the messages app, I can tap on that. And then of course I have notifications enabled. So show notifications has to be on. And then now if you scroll down, you will see the notification categories. Okay. So for instance, you have notifications for incoming messages. You can tap on that and then you can choose a sound for that. Now by default, it's going to be the default notification sound for the entire phone. But of course you can change that and apply. And that's going to be the notification sound for that specific application for incoming messages. Now you can go to a different app and do the same thing. And you can go and customize different sounds for the different apps for your notifications. Thanks for watching. I hope that was useful. Good luck.